Can you bring down a big tree with a single cut of an axe? I thought so. Can you eat a whole bread with a single bite? I guess so. Can you get six-pack abs overnight? As much as a thought. Very right? So I'm sure that you must be thinking that these are all bigger tasks which cannot be done overnight, which cannot be done with a single cut, which cannot be done with a single bite. It requires a process. It requires cutting it down to different small activities, right? Namaskar, hello and welcome back. Today is the same topic that I'm talking about, how to achieve bigger results, right? So as I asked the questions, right, before, at the beginning of the video, I was just trying to build up a platform for all of us to understand and think that whenever we are thinking about a bigger picture, right, we have to understand that that's the end result that we are looking up to. But what we need to start working on, the blueprint, the groundwork, the understanding of the issues, the understanding of the requirements, and then start working on that, right? So that's a step-by-step process, right? So why many people or most of the people fail at achieving bigger results is just because they keep on focusing on to the end result. And if tomorrow I ask anyone that you have to climb up the Mount Everest, so the moment I give that idea in itself puts them into a pressure that they have to climb Mount Everest. So if that happens, right, so the result is definitely going to be, probably result is not going to be anywhere. Right? So that's the situation, right? So what we need to understand is, if we want to climb Mount Everest, it is not going to happen at a stretch. We have to do it step by step. We have to do it process by process. We have to identify, okay, first day I'll go 500 meters, next day I'll go 1000 meters, next day again I probably go 2000 meters, and kind of, right? So that is something which we need to understand. Even if at all we want to do anything in our life, right, the end result is something which we have to keep in front of us, that this is something which we need to achieve. But at the same time, we have to also identify that this is the result which needs to be achieved, but there are certain things, there are certain processes which needs to be followed to get that result, right? So to achieve bigger results, it's not only about achieving a bigger result. To get the bigger result, we have to work on smaller things more consistently. Consistency is going to be the key. Tomorrow, it's like, just give you a small example. If you want to make a movie, the movie is not made just like that, right? There are scenes which have been created, right? So every scene, there is huge process involved in it, right? Lighting is there, dressing is there, makeup is there, everything, dialogue hai. So there are n number of factors which are involved into it, and after that the complete process is done, and the ultimate result is the movie that we see in the theater, right? So that is something which I just wanted to convey, right? So if you want to achieve something big, if you want to do something with a very bigger result, I would suggest that I learned it from my own experience. Initially I also used to do the same mistakes, that looking at the bigger picture, I used to keep on thinking that, okay, someday I'll be able to do that, someday I'll go and achieve that. But that doesn't happen that way. We need to keep on working. We need to keep on working on these smaller projects so that we can achieve results in the bigger project. So that is something I just wanted to share with you all. And if that makes sense to you, do share your comments and suggestions in the comment box, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Hind.